Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to track payroll cost over time. Are you curious where your payroll dollars are going month to month? Gusto lets you track payroll's cost over time so that you can monitor trends, adjust budgets, and stay in control. And here's how to do it. Step 1, log into Gusto and head to reports. So you want to start by signing into your Gusto account from the dashboard. Just navigate to the report section in the left hand menu. So sign into Gusto, and then on the dashboard, navigate to report section in the left hand menu. Step 2, select payroll history or payroll reports. Now you're going to look for either the payroll history or payroll reports section, because this gives you a detailed view of all your past payrolls, including totals, taxes, and employer costs. Step 3, choose a report with a time component. Now, reports like wages summary, payroll journals, or employer cost summaries are great for tracking how much that you're spending over time. Step 4, adjust the date range. Now you can use filter at the top to select the time frame that you want to review. Could be monthly, quarterly, yearly, or custom. This gives you control over the data scope. Step 5, analyze the cost breakdown. Now, once the report generates, take a look at the breakdown by pay period, by departments, or by employees. You'll see trends in payroll expenses, bonuses, taxes, and more. Step 6, export if needed. Now, if you want to go deeper, you want to do deeper analysis or share it with your finance team, you can export the report to Excel or CSV files. Now, this is super handy for building budget forecasts or for reviewing cost efficiency. And that's how you track your payroll cost over time with Gusto. Keeping an eye on those numbers helps you make informed decisions as a team, and your business will definitely grow from that. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.